Hello and welcome to another episode of Davina's Recipes for Life. In this episode, we'll be making penne arrabbiata, which is a really amazing sauce. It's like tomato sauce, classic tomato sauce, but with just more character. And arrabbiata means angry in Italian, and thus the use of hot chili peppers and garlic in this delicious tomato-based sauce is just something that's gonna amaze you and knock your socks off. It's traditionally served in penne pasta, but you can use your favorite pasta. This one will be great with a cheesy green salad or a herb bread. So let's get straight into the recipe now. You're gonna start by boiling your pasta. Here I have some water. I'm gonna set it to boil, and when it boils I'm gonna add my salt. I have about 160 grams of penne pasta and I'm going to let it boil, and it should take about 12 minutes, but make sure to follow your package directions. Now, pasta is traditionally cooked till al dente and just about firm to bite, but if you prefer it a little bit softer, you can leave it for a while longer. The best way to test is to take some of the pasta out and bite into it, and when you're done with that, you can just take the pasta out, but don't drain the water first, because I'm going to show you what to do next. Now let's prepare our arrabbiata sauce. You'll need to prepare the pasta sauce the same time as you boil your pasta, so like while you're waiting for it, you can already start cooking the sauce. Now, because there's a certain way to mix your pasta, that's why we have to make the sauce and the pasta at the same time. This is what will make the pasta come together well. First thing you're going to do is heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and to that add about 3 cloves of garlic. And then you're going to saute that until it's nice and fragrant. Next, you're going to add 1 finely chopped red chilli. I just took out the seeds because I didn't want way too much spice. Next, you're going to add some fresh tomato and saute well until the tomato is almost done. And you will know once the oil rises on the surface and you can no longer smell that much rawness. You need a little bit of freshness, so don't cook it that long. Next, you're going to add about 160 grams of canned tomatoes and mix that well. Once the sauce begins to come together, you're going to add the rest of your ingredients, some salt to taste, and a dash of your favorite dried Italian herbs or Italian seasoning, a dash of dried oregano, dried red chili flakes. You can add a lot of that. If you want, you can add black pepper. Next, you're going to start mixing your pasta and your sauce together. So you have your sauce heating up now, and you're just going to ladle a little bit of pasta into the sauce and then add a little bit of pasta water at the same time to bring everything together. So just keep doing that slowly, and this is the same water in which you boiled your pasta in. So once it comes together, once it mixes well, you're going to add a little bit of sugar to balance the flavors out. Next, you're going to add some halved cherry tomatoes and just give that a gentle toss. Before serving, you're going to top it with your cheese. This is just parmesan but with vegetarian rennet in it. Now let's begin with plating. You're just going to scoop your pasta into a plate of your choice and then top with a little bit of parmesan cheese. And once you're done with that, you're going to garnish it with basil. And finally, your pasta arrabbiata is ready. Enjoy it with your loved ones and make it the way I have, because trust me, it's not going to get any better than this.